Hey guys, today's video, the argument that me and Alina Parves had, it was just a big misunderstanding, so go subscribe to her, like her videos, because, yeah, it was a big misunderstanding. So, we went to Meadowhall together today, and I got these pencils here, I got a winter one. I'm going to show you this one, because I don't want to, ruin what it is on top. Little peek. So I took this. I unwrapped. They do come more wrapped, more, they don't come wrapped like this. They're more secure and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrapper off. Yeah, I undid it so it's easier to take off. Okay, so I've took the wrapper off and it's so cute because you can take it apart. It smells like scented macarons from McDonald's. I don't even know how you say it. Macarons? I have no idea. Anyway, it comes with a little party hat here. So I'm just going to put that back on. Oh yeah, I got this emoji pillow. Meet the emoji. Pillow. It's not a pillow. It's a purse. Really cool. I also got a new phone case. Really cool. Yep, so as you can see, the little party hat here. Right here, and it comes with a pencil. I'm going to have to sharpen that. Now time to see the other one. And again, on this one, I have under the wrapper, so it's easier to take off. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the wrapper. Here we go. So I've took the wrapper off, and obviously you can take off the pencil. It smells like macarons, whatever they're called. Yeah, and it's pencil, so I'm going to have to sharpen that. Don't know why I'm talking so fast. Wait, why am I talking? I have remembered, and I was just speaking while the camera was off. I was like, I have remembered, it's because, and then I was like, I'll pause the video. So yeah, they are my two thingies. Alina Parves, watch her videos. So Alina, she also did a video. She said, sorry Paige, it's like it was a big misunderstanding, because we don't want you guys to think that we're like evil people, because it was a big misunderstanding, and yeah. I guess we both just overreacted a bit. So yeah. Yeah, the reason I'm talking so fast is because Viva Video, it's like this game, not game, but it's like a video editing thingy, and you can only edit 5 minutes. Otherwise, if it's like 6 minutes or something, you'll have to cut it down to 5 minutes. That's why I'm talking so fast, trying to get just under 5 minutes or something. So I can actually do the thingy, but it is really good. You can add your own speeches and stuff, and just play in from everywhere. Because the hat fell off again. Yeah, so Alina Parves did get little pencil grips. I don't know if I've told you that. My memory's gone. Also, I got this cutie here. Little guinea pig teddy. I called it Dice. Really cute. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave in the comments what I could do in another video, and also subscribe to Alina Parves, watch her video, subscribe. I think I've already said that. And yeah, just watch videos. Okay, I'm gonna see you all soon. Bye. Wow, 4 minutes.